Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today we're in Botanica Lakes, Fort Myers. Okay, I'm gonna show you this beautiful home here. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It's 2,377 square feet, 2 stories. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, okay? And it's also lakefront. Stay on to the end so you could really admire the view of the lake outside, okay? So let's start the tour. As we come in, we can see that the driveway has paver, and also we have a double car garage. Very nice landscape. Today's very windy here, like 65 degrees. Okay, now we're coming to this porch. This porch is very nice because you have the screen, so screened in. And you can actually sit here and enjoy. Okay, now we're gonna go inside. You're welcome with this beautiful humongous door. And welcome. Okay, as you come in, you got the dining room over here. And over there you got the kitchen and the living room. Okay. Over here at the dining room, I'm sorry, they just put that table there because they already took the dining room out. So it's furnished, but they already took some stuff out. So let's continue here. Over here, we're in the kitchen. As you can see, nice wood panel doors, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and from your sink here, check out the view that you have of the lake. Very nice. What I'm gonna do now, instead of spending time down here on the first floor, I'm gonna first do the second floor and then come down and we'll go around all the bedrooms downstairs, okay? You got this hallway here. I'll show you all this when I come down. Let's first start from the second floor. Okay, you got this stairwell here. Sorry, it's a little dark. Okay. Very nice. Everything here, all the handrails are oak, looks like they're oak, and also you have steel. Very nice. Okay. Okay, up here, what you have is this beautiful room up here. Now this you could turn into a bedroom later on if you want. Okay, you have a bathroom. And you have this hallway over here that leads you to this closet and a bedroom up here. Okay, they use this as an office but this is a bedroom. Let me stand over here so you can visualize it. Okay, you got your closet over there, pretty big size. And then the bedroom leads over here to the bathroom. Okay, you have a nice closet here for your towels. And this is the bathroom here. Also, this bathroom here has a pocket door. I'll show you. It has a pocket door. So that way it becomes the bathroom for the bedroom here. Okay, so now, for me not to confuse you, I'm gonna go out the same way I came in. Okay. Okay, so now, this is the other side. So here is that pocket door that I closed. So you have access to the bathroom from up here too. Let me stand over here so you can visualize the size of the room. Okay. Okay, let's go back downstairs and show you the rest of the house. Okay, I'll start back where it came in, so that way it doesn't get confusing. Okay, I'm back in the front door again. Okay, so once we come in, you have dining room area here. It's pretty big size. Okay. Now, you got the kitchen like I showed you already, but let's try it. Here you have this double door entrance. That it could be a den or a room, because it does have a closet, so you could use this as a den or a room. Sorry about the boxes, but I just want to show you, the nice size of the room. So you got the crown molding, the fan, and it's a pretty big size room. Okay. Now we come over here and we have a towel closet over here, and we got the guest bathroom here. Got the nice glass doors. Okay, then over here we got another bedroom. Okay, let me stand over here so you can visualize it. Nice size. Closet over there. Pretty big size. Okay, here's the stairwell that I took you. Over here we have the washer and dryer. So you have a small sink there. And then out here, this leads you to the double car garage. Over there in the corner, you got your hurricane shutters. And back here, you got your water heater. Okay, let's keep going. Go back to the kitchen. Here's the kitchen again. And now we come to the living room. Check out the glass tiles. So nice. You stand on this side so you can visualize the room. Very beautiful. And it also has the LED lights. Okay, now let me get over here so you can visualize, and then I'll move into the master bedroom. Okay, let's go to the master. Okay, the master is humongous, very spacious. And you have a window, I don't know if you can see outside, you got a window with the lake outside. How nice. And the beautiful landscape. Wait until I take you outside, it has a beautiful area outside. Now over here we're going to you got your closet on this side, the other closet on this side. And now we're heading here to the master bedroom. Master bathroom, sorry. Okay, here's your shower. Okay, It has a split sink. Here's your water closet. But over here you can see that you have a split sinks. You have one sink over here and the other sink over there. That's nice. Keep everything separate. All right, let me stand over here so you can visualize the bathroom a little here. There's the water closet here. You've got a towel closet there. Okay, we're heading back to the master bedroom. And I'm gonna give you a couple more shots so you can visualize the size. See over here, look at that. Take it on this other side. Okay. If you want any information on this property, just go on the link below and we'll have the full report. So that way you can see anything that I missed. So everything's there, so just hit that link on the bottom that says full report and you have the whole full report of the property. If you have any questions, feel free to call us or contact us. We'll be glad to help you. Okay, and remember, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and you will be receiving more videos like this and videos from around Cape Coral and Fort Myers. Okay, now I'm going outside to the Lanai. This is what Florida living is all about. So let me show you. It's the nice Lanai. And I'm gonna go around so I could get in a corner so I could show you. So maybe you can feel the lifestyle here. Okay. Okay, so imagine yourself sitting here, enjoying the view. You have your TV on the side over there. You could put all your barbecue stuff in here that later on you could take out so you don't have to cook inside. And you have that beautiful extended area so you could, you know, relax outside. So tell me in your comments below, what do you think? Is this Florida or what? Let's go outside. Let me try this lock. It was locked. Okay, now it's open. Okay, we're outside. Well, sorry it wasn't a perfect, beautiful, sunny day, but we just had a front come by. So right now it's windy. And temperature is around 65, 62. Okay. This is the view you have outside. And looking at the house, look at that area, extended area you have to do your barbecue or whatever you want to do outside. And check out the landscape. You got your bird feeders, so you can see the birds in the morning. So check out the butterfly. We even have butterflies coming around here. There's a butterfly. Over here, I think this is lemon. Check out the butterfly here. And the butterfly in the winter, that's weird. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on this home, please feel free to contact us, 239-410-7372. If you're thinking about buying a property in the Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Lee County area, also feel free to contact us. If you would like to see more videos like this, just hit that subscribe button. Okay, signing off from Botanica Lakes in Fort Myers. On to the next video.